Drone enthusiasts, welcome back to I Know Gadgets. Today we embark on a high-flying journey as we unveil the top 5 budget drones of 2024. Exciting times await, and the links to these incredible gadgets are in the description and the first comment. Let's take to the skies. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Sima Drone with camera 1080p HD FPV cameras. 1080p HD camera and FPV drone. Capture stunning moments from a different angle with real-time FPV view. Multifunctionality, one-key rotation, 3D flips, and customizable flight paths for a dynamic flying experience. Simple operation, perfect for all experience levels with features like one-key takeoff landing and altitude hold. Easy to carry, long flight time. Impossibly light with a foldable design for portability and up to 24 minutes of flight time. Intelligent SYMA fly control. Connect to the app via Wi-Fi for trajectory flight, VR mode, and gravity control. Dive into the SYMA experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are a click away in the description. Securing the 4th spot is the Holy Stone GPS drone with 4K camera for adults. 4K ultra clear camera, 100 wide angle, 90° adjustable for high-resolution shots and stable videos. GPS auto return. Never worry about losing your drone with automatic return home functionality. Better flight experience. Up to 46 minutes of flight time with features like altitude hold and headless mode. Considerate design. Foldable fuselage for portability, a carrying case, and under 250 drawer for FAA registration exemption. More intelligent functions. Automatic tracking, waypoint flying, and various shooting modes for creative freedom. Immerse yourself in the Holy Stone GPS drone experience. Links to exclusive insights and in-depth reviews are in the description. Claiming the 3rd spot is the DJI Mini2 SE. Lightweight and portable. Weighing under 249 grams, it's perfect for adventures and stunning aerial moments. Beginner-friendly, simplified operations, return-to-home function for added safety, and easy learning curve. Extended flight time, up to 31 minutes, and a combo option for 3 batteries, offering up to 93 minutes of total flight time. Just a few taps for epic imaging. Easy-to-use shooting templates for automatic flying, recording, and professional-level videos. Advanced transmission range, 10 km max. Transmission range with DJI OcuSync for enhanced reliability. Discover the DJI Mini2 SE. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews await in the description. Securing the 2nd position is the Potensic Atom 3-axis, Gimbal 4K GPS drone. Lightweight design. Under 200 for hassle-free FAA registration. Rock-steady 4K 3-axis gimbal. Ensures smooth and steady footage even in windy conditions. Extended flight time. Fly more with 96 minutes of flight time and quick charging batteries. Intelligent features, visual tracking, quick shots, and accurate visual tracking and quick shots. Beginner-friendly. Enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature for steady aerial shots. Immerse yourself in the Potensic Atom drone experience. Links to exclusive insights and in-depth reviews are in the description. Securing the coveted 1st place is the DJI Mini3. Lightweight and compact. Weighs under 249 for easy portability on all your adventures. Extended battery life. Up to 38 minutes of flight time for capturing the perfect shot. Stunning imagery. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear and detailed aerial shots. Capture height. Be social. True vertical shooting for capturing tall landmarks and seamless sharing. Focus on the moment. Quick shots for dynamic flight patterns and stunning panoramas. Unveil the DJI Mini3. Though the specifics are enticing, exclusive insights and detailed reviews await in the description. And there you have it, drone enthusiasts. The top 5 budget drones of 2024, each a marvel in the skies. Links to these high-flying gadgets are in the description, so seize the moment and capture the world from above. Like, share, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more exciting tech adventures. Until next time, may your flights be smooth, your shots be breathtaking, and your aerial journeys nothing short of extraordinary.